What's up guys? Welcome to the Internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how to take a look on the calculator history of your iPhone or iPad. So it's really easy. The first thing, we're gonna click utilities and then we're gonna hold the app calculator. So hold the app and as you guys can see, copy last result. So before we do that, we're gonna open the application and we're gonna, for example, do 200 minus 5. So it's 1985. So I'm gonna close the app and now I'm gonna hold the application again, and after that, as you guys can see, I'm gonna copy last result. So as you guys can see here, it says 195, which is the last result we've been calculating. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video.